Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ivy and I'm a makeup artist based in Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a product haul on products I got from Juvias Place in the last concluded Black Friday sales in the month of November. If this is content you like to see, then please keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel down below, okay? And let's get right into the video. I'll see you in a bit. Welcome back, guys. So for those of you who did not know, Juvias Place does ship to Nigeria and the site accepts your Naira, MasterCard or Visa card, okay? Now a lot of these products I got for 60% off and shipping was pretty moderate, around $22 or so for these items, and it was shipped through FedEx. It got to me in about 8 working days thereabouts, and I didn't have to pay any additional fee or anything like that. Now if you're shopping from Nigeria, CBN has a new policy whereby all banks are mandated to ensure that their exchange Naira-dollar exchange rate is regulated at 397 Naira, irrespective of what's going on in the parallel market like black markets and all of that, okay? But that comes along with the caveat, or that comes along with its own disadvantages, because you are restricted to $100 per card or per account for a month, okay? So most of these products I got came out under $100. And please, if you're based here in Nigeria, I have recently come across a lot of fake Juvias Place products. Like I went into a shop the other day and I saw a Juvias Place eyeshadow palette, the masquerade eyeshadow palette for that matter, and it was selling for 2,800 Naira. I was shocked. Say I was amazed was an understatement. And I looked at it and I just saw outright that this was just not it. This was just like a copy of the real deal, okay? So if you want to get a good Juvias Place palette in Nigeria, you should be going for around 10,000 Naira. And the pigmentation of these shadows and the quality of the products that Juvias Place brings out is out of this world. So please don't go get one cheap Juvias Place shadow from one roadside vendor and then come out and start saying that the shadows are not pigmented or any of that, okay? So I would advise you save up and get a good product, okay? Now I myself, I was lucky. I knew Juvias Place sent me an email that they were having this sale, so I prepared myself towards that. I just opened the product. It came in this box right here and came well packaged, bubble wrapped. At the top part we have the eyeshadow palettes. Now I have 3 eyeshadow palettes right here. I used to have this Nubian One eyeshadow palette, and then I got mine a couple of years back and it's been through a lot. I'm even ashamed to show it on camera, so I had to get another one. I got this product at 60% off. Now the Nubian One eyeshadow palette looks like this, and these are the colors. I really miss this. It's something like a new eyeshadow. I feel so good. New makeup makes me happy. So I have this in replacement of the other eyeshadow palette I used to own. Probably be giving that to a friend because I've used up most of the shadows. All the shadows are important too, like they're really nice, but I think I'm done with that palette. If I see someone who wants it, then I'll give it out. The second eyeshadow palette I got was the Warrior by Juvias eyeshadow palette, and it looks like this, and everything came well packaged and bubble wrapped. And this is like a neutral, natural, everyday shadow. It reminds me a lot of my Zaron, or rather my Zaron X eyeshadow palette reminds me a lot of this. I really love this shade. These are like my go-to shades. These are shades like I can travel with this palette and be okay. Like I'm not the colorful eyeshadow look kind of girl. I'm not very adventurous when it comes to shadows. so I really wanted to get that, and I'm happy I did. The third palette I got was the Warrior 2 by Juvias Place. This I think is an all matte eyeshadow palette. I saw it and the packaging was just beautiful. I had a lot of transition and crease colors. I really can't wait to play with this. Colors are really beautiful. I can't wait to dig into this. So those are the 3 shadows I got, or the 3 eyeshadow palettes I got. And then I got 3 concealers. I got 3 concealers, 3 of the I Am Magic concealers. The last haul I did from Juvias Place, I actually got the concealers in numbers 9 and 10, and 9 wasn't highlighting enough for me, and 10 was pretty okay. But this time around I decided to go a shade up and get I got 10 again as well, which is just like on like my go-to on days when I don't want like very bright under high highlights. And I got the shade 12. I did a little bit of research at this time around and I figured out 12 would be like my perfect highlight shade, so I got that as well. And then I got the shade 16 for my kit. I really needed this. These concealers are so creamy and they blend really well. I did a previous video where I talked about my top 5 concealers for dark skin, and this was one of the concealers I listed in that video. And then finally guys, I got the Juvias Place multi-purpose foundation stick in the shade Casina. In my last haul I actually got Congo and Tunisia. Congo was a bit too dark, Tunisia was just like my exact skin tone, or just a shade darker than me. It wasn't something I could use to contour, and Katina was out of stock. And so when I went online to get this product, I saw that Katina was on sale, and so I got it, and this is how it looks like. It already came damaged, but I can make it work. And finally I got these were like, this brush on its own is around $12, and I got the both of them for $12. Like it was 50% off, $66, and that was really cool. I started doing my foundation before eyeshadow and all of that. I found out that I kind of prefer these big brushes, like it just gets the job done pretty fast, and I actually already own one of these, so I got 2 more just to add to it. And for this I think I am covered. I still love my Sigma brushes, my F80 and I can't remember the other name. I still love those brushes, but for the past few months I've been sticking to these Juvias Place brushes. And that is it for our haul from Juvias Place, and these are the whole products we got. Oh, I'm so happy. Like, I know I told you I was not going to get any other product this year again, but I just told myself I needed to give myself a Christmas gift. Like, this year has been full of ups and downs, and I thank God He has kept us till this far. And so this is more like my Christmas gift to myself. And well, makeup makes me happy, and this could be the best Christmas gift I could have given to myself, okay? So don't judge. Anyway, this is the end of our product haul from Juvias Place. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for staying by. Thank you for sticking with me. I also hope you subscribe to my channel down below. Please click on the subscribe button and it will change to subscribed, and that way you know you are subscribed. And until I come your way again next week, bye guys.